Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear ChatGPT memory. So every time you type in something in ChatGPT, the AI will store these questions. Now, if you want to delete these basically questions and everything, what we're gonna have to do is simply click on our profile picture in the top right corner. Then we're gonna have to go to settings, and from here we're gonna have to go to personalization. Now, as you can see, I've disabled the memory, so basically it won't save the questions. But if you have this enabled, you can either disable it, or if you want, you can simply click on clear memories, and basically this will clear ChatGPT memory. You can also click on manage to see all the questions that you've asked. So basically, that's all we have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.